In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your blog posts for SEO in HubSpot using a quick 6-step SEO checklist. This guide is designed with the latest best practices and HubSpot tools in mind, helping you effortlessly enhance the visibility and effectiveness of your content. Let's dive right in by starting with the first step, choosing a focused keyword. It's crucial to pick a single short phrase that people actively search for, like HubSpot blog SEO. This keyword serves as the backbone of your post's SEO strategy. Once you've selected a suitable keyword, head over to the SEO optimization pane in HubSpot when you're editing your post. This powerful tool not only suggests related ideas that may boost your content's relevance, but also checks how effectively you're using the keyword throughout your blog. Now, turning to your blog post's title and URL, you want to make sure there's a clear alignment with your chosen keyword. Place your keyword near the start of your title and keep it concise. Aim for no more than 60 characters to ensure full visibility in search results. Additionally, make the URL structure simple and descriptive, such as blog/HubSpot blog SEO to enhance clarity and search engine understanding. The third crucial element is crafting smart content. Aim for a word count between 1,000 and 1,500 words, as detailed and helpful content tends to engage readers better and signal value to search engines. To maintain reader interest, structure your posts with short paragraphs, bullet points, and headers like H2 and H3 that incorporate your keyword. This not only improves readability, but also gives search engines more context about your content's relevance. Adding images and alt text is our next focus. Relevant visuals can significantly enhance user engagement with your post. But don't stop there. Always include descriptive alt text featuring your keyword. For instance, use HubSpot blog SEO checklist as alt text to clearly describe the image's content and context. Additionally, compress your images to ensure faster page load times, which can positively impact user experience and SEO. Moving on to linking internally and externally, it's important to connect your post with other relevant content on your site using natural anchor text. This helps guide readers through a more cohesive exploration of your blog. Plus, integrating 1 to 2 quality external links to trustworthy sources not only bolsters the authority of your post, but also provides additional value to your readers. Remember to stick with 15 to 25 meaningful topic tags to avoid diluting the focus with duplicated or similar tags. Lastly, let's talk about meta details and the Optimize tool. Utilize the Optimize pane to set your meta title, keeping it under 60 characters, and craft a meta description that's around 155 characters long, both incorporating your keyword. Before you hit that publish button, check that the Optimize tool shows green check marks, indicating all best practices are in place and it's ready to go live. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to optimizing your blog post for SEO using HubSpot. Follow these steps, and you're well on your way to enhancing your content's visibility